Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you the audio to sign language and sign to text conversion. Okay, so let's explore this folder. So these are the graphs. Okay, let's check another folder. These are the complete graphs. Okay, and these are the hand sign. Okay, and this is the description, like complete description of project. And this is the main file where we write down our code. Okay, it included with the backend and front end, and the front end part developed using Tkitner, that is Python inbuilt library for developing user interface. And let's run the project. Python space main.py. This is the loading window, and now it will open the home page. Okay, so there are 5 options. So let's explore one by one. About software, about us, like you can mention a name here. So let's explore one by one. Write on air and convert to text. Okay, so we are writing from the laptop front camera, like we'll consider in blue color or red color and write down anything. So it will consider, or it will predict that particular word. So it will convert the Hindi text to English. You can write down anything from the blue color and it will note down it. Like I'm writing bh, so it will note down the bh. Okay, let's close it. Now I'm speaking. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, now it will convert into text format, sign format. Hello, good morning. Okay, this is the complete project, and this is about software. Okay, let's click on the exit button. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.